Quick Turkish microwave menemen for 2. Ready in about 10 minutes. Prep time 10 minutes. Serves 2. 2 eggs. Fresh whole eggs, room temperature. 1 medium tomato, diced into small pieces. 1 small green pepper, diced finely. 50 grams of Turkish sucuk, diced into small cubes. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, optional for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Crack 2 eggs into a small bowl and beat lightly for about 20 seconds until just combined. Place 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 50 grams of diced sucuk in a microwave-safe shallow dish. Microwave on high for 40 seconds to render some fat. Add the diced green pepper and the diced tomato to the dish and stir gently. Microwave on high for 1 minute to soften the vegetables. Carefully remove the dish and stir the vegetables. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper and stir to combine. Pour the beaten eggs evenly over the tomato and sucuk mixture in the dish. Microwave on medium-high for 40 to 60 seconds, then check and stir gently. Continue microwaving in 15-second bursts until the eggs are set but still moist. Total cooking time about 1 minute to 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let the dish rest for 30 seconds after microwaving to finish setting. Gently stir to create soft curds, then transfer the menemen to a serving bowl. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley on top if desired and serve with crusty bread or toast. Serve immediately while warm. This completes the recipe. Enjoy your quick Turkish microwave menemen. If you liked this recipe, like the video, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick recipes.